4, A Thanksgiving on Sesame Street, written and illustrated by Sesame Workshop. Bats, I can count all of these fabulous flyers. School, I learn something every single day. My drums, I like making a racket with my drumsticks. My pal Slimy, he helps me tell pesky people to scram. My mommy, she tucks me into bed at night. Pretty flowers, they smell so good, they make Elmo a very happy monster. Making cookies, me share them with me friends sometimes. Oatmeal, it's perfectly plain and it fills me up. Music, I play the guitar because it makes me muy feliz, very happy. Reading, I really like learning about different monsters. Ovejita, she is the sweetest, silliest sheep that you have ever seen. Granny Bird, she makes me special bird seed muffins.